So as we examine number 13, it's kind of a yucky looking problem. Like when we look at it, we see that cube root of x in there that's really ugly, and then the cube root of x squared. So I might just remind myself, if I saw those radicals, that I could rewrite them as e to the x to the 1/3, that's the cube root of x. And then this guy down here is really x to the 2/3, but if it's on the bottom, then it's like x to the negative 2/3. Now that may not look like a very useful step, but once you try to select your u, and we make it x to the 1/3, then du is going to be 1/3 x. We have to subtract 1 there, so we're going to get negative 2/3. And you'll notice that we happen to have x to the negative 2/3 dx as part of our solution here. So we need to get rid of that 1/3 because we don't have a 1/3 in our problem. So we would of course do that by multiplying by 3. Oh man, I've been doing Math Bowl with elementary kids. You can see that I just wrote multiply by 3 with an x. You probably haven't seen that in a good long while. Okay, and so now we've got a substitution that we can make. E to the u, and then this blue part right here is going to equal 3 du. And of course we've got this 1 to 8 that are both in terms of x. So remember that u is x to the 1/3. If x is 8 and u is x to the 1/3, then u is going to equal 8 to the 1/3, or 2. On the bottom, if x is 1 and u is x to the 1/3, we'd have 1 to the 1/3, which is still 1. So that guy doesn't actually change. So I would pull my 3 in front, take my antiderivative, and substitute in 3e to the second minus 3e to the first.